Hey y'all, so today me and William are both cooking for dinner tonight, and of course I had to cook the tomato pie, which is my favorite in Big Mama's first cookbook if you have it. So as you can see here, I've sliced up my tomatoes. We're making 2 pies, so I did 4 large tomatoes. I know the recipe calls for 3. But these are really big, so I'm fine using 4. And I am sprinkling salt over the top.
And we've already sprinkled some salt.
Yes, ma'am. We've already sprinkled some salt just to get the liquid to come out so that it doesn't make our pie soggy. And then I will work on the filling in just a moment. Our pies are in the oven. We'll be right back.
What do you mean the pies are in the oven?
The pie shells for 10 minutes.
And we got to cook it half the time, right?
Yes,
because we don't want them to be soggy either.
Right. So you cook it a little bit at first, and then we'll put all the goodies in it and throw it back in the oven for the rest of the period of time.
Okay. What are you doing now?
Okay, y'all, we're making the filling, and it calls for 1/4 a cup of sour cream, 3/4 cup of mayonnaise. So we're doubling everything. So we're just going to do 2 cups of mayo and 1/2 cup of sour cream.
Okay.
And we're putting it in our bowl right here.
Is that a cup?
Yes, ma'am.
Well, you went down to the top of that cup. Use that spoon that I gave you. That'll get it all out. It's a good one. It's the best one for scraping out stuff.
Big Mama has gifted me this spatula to use.
I hadn't given you. I'm keeping that. I got 3 of them.
She said that it's what I have to use to make this tomato pie.
And
that means my pie shells need to come out.
All right, the pie shells need to come out, huh? Well, here's your hot pad.
I will get them in just a second.
I'll press the button over here where it'll turn itself off. There.
Here, let's see.
All right. You're getting the pie shell. Ooh, they did come up a little
I
bit.
know.
You'll have to kind of poke it with
I will. Do we think that's good
knife.
enough?
I don't know. It doesn't look too done, does it? I'll leave it in there a few more minutes.
It might be because
Take one of those knives over there, a butcher knife, and just kind of tap the top, just anything, just tap the top of your crust. Even though she did put holes in it.
Oh yes, I poked my.
Oh, it went down now.
I'll just do it just in case.
Okay. Yeah, we don't want it rising up. The reason we're cooking or doing the pie crust ahead like Liz told you is because we want it really crunchy.
We don't want it to get soggy because the tomatoes and the filling will do that.
I think that's enough because you know why I say that? Because that other one was really full.
Okay.
It works, doesn't it?
It does. So we're just gonna do this, and then the green onions, and let's see what else we need. Mozzarella and sharp cheddar. So we'll be right back for that. Okay, everybody. So our pie shells are out of the oven for the first time.
And y'all see they're kind of halfway done.
We have a little crack right here, Big Mama. What should we do about that?
Not a thing.
Okay.
Not a thing. It's fine, darling.
And then,
okay,
so now I am grating my sharp cheddar, and I am doing 2 cups, doubling the recipe, and then I'm using, what did you call it, Big Mama?
Red rind.
Red rind cheddar cheese.
Right, because it's got a rind on the outside.
Yes.
Is this.
Which is so hard to get off.
Yeah, she just cut it off.
Struggled.
And it's got the cheesecloth on the inside of it. But we finally, after getting the scissors and everything else, we got it.
And then we're going to use mozzarella cheese, and we're doing 2 cups of that as well.
All right, so we'll be back after you get it all grated.
Deal. Okay, y'all, so I just washed my green onions and finished the 2 cups of cheddar cheese. So we'll go ahead and pour that in our bowl. Let's make sure we get all of it. We want the goodie. And then I'm going to chop this. This is how I'm going to do it.
Is that knife okay, or you want a better one?
It's fine.
Okay.
It was dull on the tomatoes too, but I can work with it.
Okay. All right.
Okay, y'all, so we're adding our 2 cups of mozzarella. Again, making sure we get all of it. And then we are adding our chopped up green onions.
And how many onions did you put? 6 because...
It calls for half a cup, but I just did 6.
Well, I thought it called for 3. Did it say half a cup?
Half
okay.
a cup.
Okay.
And
Well,
then we're
you can do the other 2 if you need it. Okay. Boy, that's going to be so good. I'm excited. I do love tomato pie. And
Me
you do
too. It's so good. I think we should add the other onions. What do you think?
I think so. I'll put them up for you while you're looking for the spices. We had to go get our step ladder because they're all there in that thing, and she's going to have to search for it.
Big Mama has so much stuff in her kitchen that we have to climb the ladder to reach the spices.
Okay.
I just did my 2nd layer of tomatoes, and I'm adding the filling. I also put, what is this, garlic powder, basil, and pepper over the tomatoes. So.
Okay. Morning, y'all. We ate the pies except for this one. We made 2. And we ate the other whole pie with all kind of other stuff, and we forgot to show it to you. So I put this one in the refrigerator. I fixed to get it out for this morning, and we're just going to real slowly warm it back up because we'll be eating this again today. The pie was delicious, and I've enjoyed my children so much to be here, my grandchildren, and I hope y'all have a wonderful Sunday, and we will see you at church. Love you. Bye-bye.